Hello, I'm Uncle to SVP, and today we have a special little project on our hands just inside this container here. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So as you can see here, this is a 1983 Porsche 911, a 3.2 Carrera, and it's in dire need of a big restoration. As you can see here, the bodywork is full of filler, but other than that, it doesn't look too bad. But we're going to strip it down, bare shallot fully, and get the paintwork all redone, bodywork, everything. And yeah, so we're going to get it out and show you some more. So let's go on with it. So now it's at the container, the plan is to get it in the workshop, assess it, we'll show you a few of the bits on the car, and we'll see what it's like, and then we'll get down to stripping it down to a bare shell. So let's get on with it. So now the car is inside, we're going to open this up if we can. I'm going to struggle here. So if you want to come and have a look at this. As you can see, there is currently no fuel tank. It's missing a few bits, no battery, obviously. This whole mechanism and latch isn't working too well, but it's missing a load of bits under here. So we've got a big parts list for here. So moving on to the door, this side does open. We'll see if the back bit opens and we'll have a look inside of here. So we open this up. So as you can see here, we have a 964 engine. That won't be what's going in this car, but hopefully we can put something slightly more special inside of it, but we'll get to that at a later date. So we have a door which doesn't open, along with a very bad state interior. We're missing all the clocks, steering wheel's wrong, there are no seats, any kind of interior pieces in this car at the minute, although the battery is there, so that's always good. Glove box doesn't look like it has something, but we also have a wiper motor here, so that's where it should be, obviously. But yeah, so we're in a bit of a state here, but hopefully there's something we can do about this car. The client has purchased this as an unfinished project, and it's up to us to sort it out. We love cars like this. This is what we specialise in, and we basically just cannot wait to get started on this project. So you're going to come along with us, and we're going to hopefully get this thing back to its glory days, and we cannot wait. So the good bit is the front suspension. It's got a aluminium cross member along with powder coated arms and the built-in dampers as well on the front. So that's a good sign. On the back here we have another two built-in dampers, and also the engine at some point looks as if it's got a rebuild, but it looks like it could be all right. Not that we're going to use it, but it's always a good sign. The shell as well doesn't look to be in too bad a condition, so hopefully that'll be good. But the next step now is to get these wheels off, and we'll have a look at the brakes and see what they're like. So let's get on with it.
So after taking the wheels off, we've just discovered this also has AP Racing 4-pot calipers and 2-piece discs fitted. So that is a great bonus. The same setup or similar setup is also fitted to the front. Again, AP Racing 4-pot calipers with 2-piece discs. So Charlie's making a start with removing the engine. And over here, I'm going to be starting to take apart the front suspension, dropping it out, and then we'll begin stripping it down into its individual components. So as you can see, the engine is now out of the car along with the transmission. These look to be in a fairly all right condition. We don't plan on using them though. We've got some other plans for that, which we'll keep secret for now. We've got front suspension all out in one piece. Looks quite tidy, to be honest. We can reuse probably 90% of this, just check it all over, see if anything needs doing, tidy it up. Probably some new discs and brake pads and, you know, things like that, top mounts. But yeah, it's all there and all out the car. So next up, we'll be cracking on with rear suspension and get the rear banana arms out the car. So onto the rear suspension, we'll begin with removing all these fixings on the spring plate, and then under here, you'll see the banana arms, the mountings there, and the damper top mount. And yeah, we'll pull them off corner at a time and then get them out of the way and then focus on getting those stripped. So we're going to wrap this episode up here, guys. We've made some good progress today. Got all the rear suspension out of the car just now. A couple of stuck bolts and stuff, so it's a bit of fun getting it out, but it's all out now. Next episode, we're going to be concentrating on getting all these lines out, heater ducts, coil, all the engine bay ancillaries, and things like that. So we'll catch you in the next episode. Remember to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest videos.